I ain't even finna hold you. I messed up on this cut. And I got it all on video. Check this out. What originally happened is that I thought I had a guard on, but I didn't. Check this out. 3, 2, 1, boom. Bruh. Instant replay. Bro, look. Boom. Go in and patch. Left the patch right there. Oh well, but I'm determined to give this guy what he wanted, which was the GOP cut. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep it pushing, set in that ball guideline, shave off all the excess hair, go up 1/2 inch, and we in. Just like that, we back in the game. The way we're gonna start off this cut is with the lever open, followed by the half and the 1.5. I'm gonna have the numbers displayed up on screen. Meanwhile, my main focus during this cut is to keep some darkness. The last thing I want to do is take that one guard all the way up there, because as you can see, he has a lot of darkness around his taper. For those of you who are wondering, is his liner real or did he get it sprayed on? Yes, he used the enhancements. So I think it's only right that we use the enhancements for this cut as well. This is the first video I show y'all how I apply enhancements, so definitely stick through for that. Clipper over comb in this area just because I want to make sure I keep enough darkness. And look at that thing pop. Check out my finger. Look where I place my finger, and then boom, line up. A very helpful tip I could give to all of y'all watching any tutorial, whether it's mine, anyone else's, is just make sure you look at their hands, look at the motions. And right here, I'm going to go in with that one guard, and I'm going to soften up that line right here. Now I'm going to flick at it a couple times, and if stuff doesn't get lighter, then I'm going to go ahead and close it a notch until it gets to my liking. So you'll see me flick at it a couple times, nothing happens, then I go close the lever up a little bit and then keep it going until that thing gets to my liking. Check it out. Oof, real quick y'all, if y'all are having any trouble with shear wear, go ahead and check out my last video. Super informative. How to properly section hair, how to separate the top from the bottom, find the recession. If you guys are struggling with any of that, go ahead and make sure you check that video out. The moment y'all all been waiting for, we're gonna erase that bottom line doing the close halfway open method. I'm not gonna talk too much, just so y'all can lock in and really see what I'm doing here. Alright, now for the other side, we're going to go ahead and set our base in with a 1.5 open. Now we're going to go ahead and line up the taper because we don't want to waste any time flicking out something we're just going to line up. Alright, so now that we got a clear canvas, we're going to set in that ball guideline, remove the excess hair, go up 1/2 inch with the lever open, followed by the half guard. Same steps as the other side, fellas. With the 1.5, we're gonna go closed right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and open it just because I saw a little straggly hairs that I want to cut. And boy, when you do this, be careful to not dig in and mess up the braids, because if they do, you're gonna have to squabble with your client. I done had it happen once, maybe twice. I'm just playing 0 times. Y'all guess I'm getting rid of that line. The 1.5 left off with the 1. Closed, halfway open. Y'all guessed it again. Quick shout out, fellas, we about to hit 1,000 subs. It didn't really hit me until I hit 915, and then I woke up today and it was like at 950. Now we at 957. We about to hit the 1K mark on subs, bro. This is so crazy, man, and I didn't realize how big of an accomplishment it was so fast, because I just had tunnel vision. I just been focusing on the next drop, next video, just about how I feel like I'm not doing enough, instead of realizing that, damn, man, I'm really making it shake right now. So big shout out to you guys if you guys are watching, supporting him, that thumbs up button, and I can't wait to see where we go from here. Hit 10K on Instagram. If you haven't followed that, go ahead, follow that. I'll leave a link down in the description. A lot of new investments have been made recently, new lens, new camera, new light, and I can't wait for you guys to see this channel just grow. As you guys see this clip, make sure you guys pay attention to the lever. If you guys do not know, the lever all the way open in the Andes Masters is equivalent to a true 1. And I only use it to detail, never to fade. This clipper is usually able to get spots that my other clippers can't. I have no idea why, it just always does. Bottom line didn't want to come out, so I started utilizing my trimmer to take that out. If I had braids, I'd hate if my barber left these hairs long. Treat others how you want to be treated. I want to be treated like a king when I'm in the chair, so that's how I'm going to treat my clients. Little point cutting technique with the shears. Now following up with the shaver. It's cool if you create a line, because all you have to do is tap down at it, remember? Boom, 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 boom. And then if that don't come out, flick out. Bop, 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 bop. With the shaver or the trimmer. Right here, we're doing it with the trimmer. Saw some more little hairs, gotta get them right. And now I'm just slicing and dicing the little dark spots, not that many to go over. Now for the lineup, bro, look at these Babyliss trimmers that they done sent me. Shout out Babyliss once again, gotta shout them out. If y'all haven't watched the review on that one, the unboxing, go ahead and do so. Straight razor, look at my finger. Every time I am stroking, I am pulling the skin. Look at that ash line, boom. You see how my finger is parallel to the middle of the blade? Whatever portion I'm gonna hit, look at my finger, how it follows the blade. Boom, parallel. Minimal pressure when using the blade, don't forget. And also, do not forget to hit the back of the ear, man. Barber gods are watching. Alright, for the enhancements, do not even think about spraying if you do not shake the bottle. Shake the bottle, please. Because if not, it's going to look too dark. It's going to look too chunky. And right here, y'all can see I went too crazy. So what I'm going to do is quickly grab the brush. Do not wait too long, because if you wait too long, it will stay. And if it stays, don't worry. Just get a neck strip, get some alcohol, put some alcohol on the neck strip, and then rub it out and it'll come out. But the sooner you try to get that out, you'll be straight. And the moment y'all all been waiting for, the final results. Boom! You can't tell me that boy ain't fresh. We done waited a whole year for this cut. Let me know in the comment section below. Was it worth the wait?